A very happy morning to one and all. If yet blood does not rage, then it is water that flows in your veins. For what is a flush of youth if it is not of service to motherland, says Chandrasekhar Azad. Freedom is a way God intended us. It is something we are born with, something that no one can take away from us. Let us celebrate this freedom by invoking God's blessing.
Almighty God, who has given us this good land for a heritage, we humbly beseech you that we may always prove ourselves a people mindful of your favor and glad to do your will. Bless our land with honorable industry, sound learning, and pure manners. Save us from violence, discord and confusion, from pride and arrogance, and from every evil way. We pray for our freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for our free India. To our soldiers, may God bless you, each and every one, for all you do for us each day. We will keep you in our hearts, and for your safety we will pray. Amen. Almighty
Thank you, dear Shalini ma'am, for leading us through the prayer service. The flags are flying, the balloons are ready for release. It's a great day we have been planning and waiting for. I request our dear Shazia ma'am to welcome all.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls. Good morning to one and all present here. It's an absolute honor and a great privilege to stand before this august gathering to welcome you all to the celebration of our independence. Today, I take immense pleasure to welcome our lovable and the pioneer of this organization, our principal, Sister Celine, for gracing this event by her presence. Hearty welcome to you, ma'am. My warm welcome to our Vice Principal, Sister Shiny, who is a seasoned scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge. Welcome you, ma'am. I would also like to welcome my dearest parents who are always giving their best support. I welcome you all. I also extend a warm welcome to my dearest teaching and non-teaching staff members and all the students to this beautiful celebration. I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Shazia ma'am, for your warm welcome. Now, I request our dear teachers, Ravi sir and Prakash sir, to lead our guests towards the flagpole. Let us all respect our national flag by saluting it. And now, national anthem will be sung by our teachers. Thank you one and all for showing your great respect towards our motherland. Now, I request Sister Shiny, our Vice Principal, to address the gathering.
A very good morning to all of you. Respected Principal, teachers, parents, and dear students. Today, we celebrate 75th Independence Day of our nation. On this occasion, I convey my greetings and good wishes to all the Indians living in this beautiful country in the world. History is full of evidences and struggles, sacrifices of our leaders like Gandhiji, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and other hundreds of freedom lovers. The great freedom fighter Bal Gangadhar Tilak had proclaimed, "Freedom is my birthright. and I shall have it. Our beloved country, India, has achieved political freedom. True freedom for the common man is a long way to go. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought in realization that we are made to go through mask, sanitization, lockdown, quarantine, and severe hardships against our free will. In many ways, this pandemic situation is the result of human selfishness, greed, and violence. Human beings want to destroy each other using chemical warfare. The human made cultivated virus has escaped the human control to put us into slavery. Our freedom fighters fought with the hope that India will prosper as an independent nation. All Indians will enjoy equal opportunity to education, natural resources, and comfortable living. As you know, this day comes every year to remind us of our promises to this land. We have got freedom from the foreign yoke, but still there remains a lot to be done. We have to fight against social and economic issues at present. We have to stand against all ignorance and spread education in every corner of the country. Let us salute today all the freedom fighters who fought for the independence of the country and decided themselves to the service of the nation. Hence, to conclude, I feel that it is the responsibility of every citizen to rise and make this country strong in all aspects of life. Let us salute corona fighters, doctors, nurses, policemen, paramedical staff, and health workers. We must recognize their contribution in this pandemic situation. So let us be one. United we stand, divided we fall. Jai Hind.
Thank you, dear sister, for your wonderful message. There are no shortcuts to happiness, and dancing is one of them. So here comes our little tot, Leksha of class 2, to express her happiness by performing a dance. Thank you, Leksha, for giving your lovely performance. Acting is behaving truthfully under imaginary circumstances. Now, I request Yashri to present a patriotic mono act.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯಾಶ್ವಿ. ನಾನು 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ. ನಾನು ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ. ಎಲ್ಲವೇ ಕೆಂಪು ಕೂತಿಗಳೇ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೆ ಬೆಳೆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಬ್ಬು ತಿನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕೂಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೇ ಕೂಲಿ? ಮೋಡ ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪು? ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರೆ ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗವೇ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ಅರಾರ ಮಹಾದೇವ, ಅರಾರ ಮಹಾದೇವ, ಅರಾರ ಮಹಾದೇವ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, dear, for your splendid performance.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾನು 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಜ್ವಿಕಾ ಪಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದ ದಿನ. ಈ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನವೆಂದು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿದ ಗಾಂಧಿ ತಾತ, ಸರ್ದಾರ್ ವಲ್ಲಭಾಯ್ ಪಟೇಲ್, ಚಾಚಾ ನೆಹರು ಮುಂತಾದ ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಅವರ ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಂತಸದಿಂದ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಭಾರತ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ, ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ.
ರಿತ್ವಿಕಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. It's not about the dress you wear, but the life you lead in the dress. So here comes Ojanvini to represent the national leaders.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Independence Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all who are present here a very, very happy Independence Day. Today is a historic day in the history of our country as we are celebrating 75th year of independence. On this day, 15th August 1947, we got independent from the British. This day reminds us of our true worth and importance as freedom-loving, brave nation. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Lal Lajpat Rai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. We are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. Today we have rights to choose our government. Since independence, our country has developed in many areas, but there is still a lot to be done. It is our duty to stand up to these expectations. I thank our beloved teacher who has given me an opportunity to speak few words on this special and memorable occasion. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, dear Janvini. Now let's join our hands together to welcome Harushi of Class 2 for a rhythmic tribute to the country.
हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछने जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम ये घर सुना सुना है, मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत है, बस तेरा प्यारी माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं, अब तो हमें साथी है, बस इतना ही कहना।
Thank you, Harushi, for your elegant performance. Freedom lies in being bold. So here comes Amit of Class 4 to inspire us with a mono act.
Good evening everyone. My name is Amit Amman, grade
grade 4. I am studying in Saint Maria di Matia School. Today I am portraying the story of Lal Bahadur Shastri. I repeat once again. The story of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904. His father's name was Sharda Prasad Srivastav and his mother's name was Ramdulari Devi. He completed his graduation in Hindi, English and philosophy of Kashi Vidyapith. During the war between India and Pakistan in 1965, his famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. I repeat once again, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Telling about the importance of both the farmers and soldiers in this country. He followed Mahatma Gandhi's ideas. He was called a man of peace as his nickname. He was the first who introduced water cannon to stop the angry mob instead of lathi charge. He attended Gandhi's public meeting in Bandras when he was 10th standard. Lal Bahadur Shastri had to become the next Prime Minister of India. He remained Prime Minister for 18 months. He was the Home Minister of India in 1961. He died on 1966 on January 11. Thank you.
Dear Amit, for your inspirational act. Now, I request Angel to express her thought on this beautiful occasion of Independence Day.
Freedom is never dead to any price. It is the breath of life. By this beautiful quote by Mahatma Gandhi, a wonderful evening to everybody. My name is Angel Anastanan, grade 6, studying in St. Maria di Matai School, Srirampura. Today I am here to deliver a speech on freedom fighters. Today we all have the freedom to walk, speak and do whatever we want. However, the situation was not the same when India was ruled by Britishers. Freedom fighters made sacrifices which one cannot even imagine of doing for their loved ones, live alone the country. The amount of pain, hardships and opposite that they have endured cannot be put into words. The generations after them will always be indebted to them for their sacrifices and hard work. Most of the freedom fighters even went to war to safeguard the freedom of their people. It did not matter that they had no training. They did it for the pure intention of making their country free. Most of the freedom fighters even sacrificed their lives in the war for independence. They struggled a lot to make India free from Britishers and an independent country. The list of freedom fighters is endless. Some of them are known, while others quietly sacrificed their life for the protection of their motherland. At present, whatever convenience and freedom we got in our life is just because of these freedom fighters. Some of the famous freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar, Lokmanya Tilak, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Rajguru, Sukhdev, etc., who sacrificed their life fighting for the country. I completely adore Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi. I like him because he chose the path of non-violence and won freedom without any weapons, only the truth and peace. In 1915, he came back to India from South Africa and joined Indian National Congress. He launched his Satyagraha movement against the British. Under his leadership, Congress started non-violence and non-cooperation movement to oppose the unjust acts of the British government. He led the historic Dandi March and broke the Salt Law. In 1942, he started the Quit India movement and forced the Britishers to leave India. At least, due to his efforts, India got independence in 15th August 1947. On the evening of 30th January 1948, Nathuram Godse fired 3 shots at him at Birla Bhavan while he was holding his prayer meeting as usual. He was cremated on the banks of the river Yamuna. Thus, the true servant of humanity left his footprint on the sands of time. Most importantly, freedom fighters inspired and motivated others to fight against injustice. They are the pillars behind the freedom movement. They made people aware of their rights and their power. It is all because of these freedom fighters that we prospered into a free country, free from any kind of colonizers or injustice. Jai Hind. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, dear Angel, for your encouraging words. We will never forget the sacrifice our freedom fighters have made. Now, Dhruvi will showcase herself as a freedom fighter.
ಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಬ್ಬು ತಿನ್ನಲು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕೂಳಿಯನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆ ಮೋಡ ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೀತದೆ ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ನೀವೇನು ನಮ್ಮರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೆ ಬಿತ್ತಿರೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಸಿ ನಾಟಿ ನಟ್ಟಿರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದವರಿಗೆ ಅಂಬಲಿ ಕಲಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ಹರ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಹರ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಹರ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, dear Dhruvi. Now, I request Sir Manju Gowda to speak few words on the occasion.
Good morning to all, respected Principal, Vice Principal, Honorable Chief Guest, teachers, parents, and my dear students. At first, let me wish you all very happy Independence Day 2021. Today, we are celebrating 75th Independence Day on 15th August 1947. We got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and others. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifice. Let us all work together to make our country the best country in the world. I would like to say that we must be proud to be Indian. So let us celebrate today with a great joy. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. A patriot shows his patriotism by his action. Now, here comes Niharika of class 7 to show her patriotism through a song.
ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯ ಮಗನಾಗು ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸಿರಿಯಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಬಡವರ ಕಂಬನಿ ಒರೆಸುವ ನಾಯಕ ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಬಡವರ ಕಂಬನಿ ಒರೆಸುವ ನಾಯಕ ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತೀಯರ ವಿಶ್ವ ಪ್ರೇಮವ ಮೆರೆಸುವ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಭವ್ಯ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವ ಬೆಳಗುವ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಬೆಳಗುವ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಭೂಮಂಡಲದ ಹಾಹಾಕಾರವ ನೀಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು ಭೂಮಂಡಲದ ಹಾಹಾಕಾರವ ನೀಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು ಮಾರಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ದೂರಗೈಯವ ವೀರ ಶಿರೋಮಣಿ ನೀನಾಗು ವೀರ ಶಿರೋಮಣಿ ನೀನಾಗು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡವನ್ನೇ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ಕಾಣುವ ಯೋಗಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು ಕಾಣುವ ಯೋಗಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯ ಮಗನಾಗು ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸಿರಿಯಾಗು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, dear Niharika, for your mesmerizing song. Here comes our little tot Lakshya to speak few words about Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. It is a national day for every Indian. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. This day we also remember the sacrifice of our great freedom fighters. Every state and union territory of our country celebrate this day with great enthusiasm. Freedom fighters of India. Freedom fighters were those great personalities who consecrated their lives for the cause of attainment of freedom from the colonization of British. They made many sacrifices. We cannot just imagine the amount of pain, hardships, risks and opposition they must have gone through or faced in rallying the Indians against the Britishers. How wonderfully versatile and talented they were. Many became famous, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Udham Singh, Chandrasekhar, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Mangal Pandya, Rani Lakshmibai, and many more who sacrificed their everything for the motherland. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose went all the way from India to Germany by road. He took Hitler's help in raising the Indian National Army. How brave and innovative achiever he must have been. He attacked the Britishers from Burma. He captured Andaman and Nicobar Islands from the Britishers. The freedom and convenient life we enjoy in the present, we owe it to our freedom fighters. Let's salute them. Thank you, freedom fighters, for doing such great deeds and making our India independent. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Lakshya, for your motivational words. This is a hidden language of the soul. So here come Tejasvi to perform a dance.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बैलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश को यारो, इस देश को यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना. It's fun. तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Thank you for your excellent performance. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಸ್ತಿ. ಅದು ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಅದರ ಬೆಲೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಅದು ಕಳೆತೆಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲು ಅದರ 10ರಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Now I request Haripriya to give a talk on Independence Day.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಲ್ಮೆಯ ಪೋಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯರ ಬಳಗವೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ ಹಾಗೂ 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇಂದು ನಾವು 75ನೆಯ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 1947 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ನಾವು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ದಿನ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಪಡೆದ ಸವಿನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಂದಿಗೆ 75 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ, ಸುಮಾರು 2 ಶತಮಾನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ವಿದೇಶಿಯರು ಆಳಿದರು. ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸರು, ಗ್ರೀಕರು, ಡಚ್ಚರು, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷರು ಹೀಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿದೇಶಿಯರು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ದಾಸ್ಯತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನರಳುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರು. ಇಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ತ ಹರಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದಾಸ್ಯದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಗೊಳಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹನೀಯರ ತ್ಯಾಗವನ್ನು ನಾವಿಂದು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಅವರು ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವದ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಓಡಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19ರಂತಹ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿ ರೋಗವನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸಲು ಕಂಕಣಬದ್ಧರಾಗೋಣ. ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಧರಿಸಿ, ಅಂತರ ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡು, ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆಯುವುದರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರಿಯದೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ನಿಜವಾದ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸೋಣ. ದಾಸ್ಯದ ನೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ ದುಸ್ತರ, ನೆತ್ತರ ಹರಿವಿಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೂ ದಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಉತ್ತರ. ಬಲಿದಾನದ ಬಲವಿದು, ಸಹನೆಯ ಫಲವಿದು, ಅಭಿಮಾನದ ತಿರಂಗವು ಹಾರಲಿ ಮುಗಿಲೆತ್ತರ. ಅಭಿಮಾನದ ತಿರಂಗವು ಹಾರಲಿ ಮುಗಿಲೆತ್ತರ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ಜಯವಾಗಲಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you, Haripriya, for your encouraging words. you, dear, for your splendid performance. One individual may die, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. So here comes Tagna to deliver a speech on Independence Day.
A wonderful evening to you all. I'm Tagna from grade 9. I stand here to speak few words on the topic freedom fighters. We are proud citizens of free India because of various freedom fighters. Freedom fighters are the ones who fight for freedom for their country. Many of them sacrifice their lives. They are those people because of whom we are able to celebrate Independence Day today. These people revolted against colonizers and stood up for peoples and country. Our freedom fighters even went to the wars to safeguard the interests of countries and countrymen. Many of them lost their lives in the War of Independence. Freedom fighters are very important in our country as they were inspiration and motivation to fight injustice. They were the pillars behind the freedom movement, and they even made people aware of powers and rights. The British government, which revolted India at the time, put the death toll at 379. But Indian freedom fighters said nearly 1,000 people were killed. India gained independence from British colonial rule in 1947. Our country has seen a lot of freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. They all have inspired me to work for my country. My favorite freedom fighter is Mahatma Gandhi. He did not use any weapons. He won the freedom with truth and peace. He chose the path of non-violence. I believe that Rani Lakshmi Bai is also a great freedom fighter. She never gave up our country because of her child. Instead, she took her child to the battleground to fight injustice. The next freedom fighter I admire is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I appreciate the fact that despite he is a member of a rich family, he gave up his easy life to fight for freedom and India's struggle. And indeed, he was motivation for many of the people. Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji, is the most prominent leader of Indian independence movement against British rule. In short, what we see as India now, it won't be possible without Indian freedom fighters' effort in the past. We should honor their sacrifice, and this is the only possible way if we stand united in any circumstances. Behalf from my side, I wish you all happy Independence Day in advance. Thank you.
Thank you, dear, for your impressive speech. Here comes Pranika of class 4 to present a monoplay.
ರಾಣಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಲು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಯಿರಿ ಅವರನ್ನು. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ವಿಷಯ ಏನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಮಾಮ, ಒಪ್ಪಂದದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು? ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆ? ನೀವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರೆ, ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿರೆ, ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಚು ಕೆಂಪು ಮುಸುಡಿಯ ಕೋತಿಯೇ. ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಬಂದು ಕಪ್ಪವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಲಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಸೀಡಿ ಬಿಡುವೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ನೀನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಿನ ಜನ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಲು ಸಿದ್ಧವಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲಧಿಕಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು, ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಡಲು ಸಿದ್ಧವಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದು. ನಾವು ಸತ್ತರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲಡಿ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you for your excellent performance. तिरंगा ही आन है, तिरंगा ही शान है, और तिरंगा ही हम हिंदुस्तानियों की पहचान है. Karan is here to give a speech on Independence Day.
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि, आदरणीय प्राचार्य जी, वंदनीय शिक्षकों और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज का यह 15 अगस्त का दिन हम सभी देशवासियों के लिए सम्मान, अभिमान और उत्सव का दिन है। इसी दिन 1947 में हमारा देश अंग्रेजी हुकूमत से आज़ाद हुआ। आज तिरंगा फहराता है अपनी पूरी शान में। हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। हमारे देश को स्वतंत्र बनाने के लिए महात्मा गांधी जी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, लोकमान्य तिलक, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु सुखदेव, मंगल पांडे, लाल लाजपत राय, दादा भाई आदि अनेक तमाम वीरों ने अपनी जान की बाजी लगा दी। हमारे देश के लिए उन्होंने जो अहम योगदान दिया, हम भारतवासियों कभी नहीं भूल सकते। स्वतंत्रता के बाद हमारे देश शिक्षा, क्रीड़ा, कला, साहित्य, क्रीड़ा, खेती अनेक क्षेत्रों में उन्नति कर रहा है। हमारे देश के बहादुर जवान सीमा पर दिन रात हमारी रक्षा कर रहे हैं। आज हम उनका सम्मान करते हैं। हम खुशनसीब है कि हम स्वतंत्र भारत देश में जी रहे हैं। हमारा देश दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र देश है। विविधता में एकता हमारी पहचान है। चलिए आज हम प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि हम सभी भारतवासियों मिलकर प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि हमारे देश को दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा देश की अच्छे मन से प्रयास करेंगे। कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। लहराएंगे हम हर जगह ये तिरंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
धन्यवाद कारण।
Good morning to all. It's a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks. On this memorable occasion, we are all grateful to all freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the independence of our country. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Our principal, Reverend Sister Celine, has always been the backbone to our success. Thank you, Sister, for being our motivation and inspiration. We are grateful to our Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Shaimi, for her words of encouragement and unstinted support for this program. Thank you, Sister. And I extend my special thanks to all parents for their support and cooperation. And I also thank all the students who added color to our program. Thank you all. Last but not least, my heartfelt thanks to teaching and non-teaching staffs for their selfless effort. Thank you. A big thank you to each one of you who made this celebration memorable. Thank you all. Jai Hind.